So this is the Fantech Leviosa, a USB condenser microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. Do you think this will sound good for its price? Well, we'll check out its physical overview, features and more. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Mac and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So first, what do we get inside the box? Obviously the condenser microphone, tripod mount, USB-A to USB Type-B with a decent length, microphone holder, windscreen, and some documentations. Now let's check out some physical overview. So the build is all metal in matte black finish, and to tell you the truth, it feels really sturdy and it has some weight in it as well. Over here is a honeycomb design and an actual mic pickup is inside with some RGB design gimmick. It'll start to lose its purpose though once you place the windscreen, obviously. For the knobs and buttons, we have mute button with blue LED and with a satisfying click when pressed. Echo and gain knobs are quite wobbly and easy to break if you're not careful. And lastly, the zero latency 3.5mm jack input for monitoring your voice levels, that is. And underneath is where you will plug your USB Type-B. The microphone holder has this rotating mechanism and it doesn't seem it's going to lock in any way. The tripod is made out of metal and it will stand still when you place it on your table. I just don't like the part when you pick it up, you'll have to use both of your hands to place it down again. Anyway, I guess that's all that there is in the physical overview. Now let's check out some features. As I mentioned earlier, this is a condenser microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. It also has an RGB illumination, and of course it is a USB interface plug and play kind of microphone. This doesn't have its own driver though, so don't look for any. Actually, I was looking for one since I was hoping it has one to at least control the RGB illumination, but that's just it. You can't change it to a static color or turn it off in any way. For the microphone, I suggest use the OBS Studio with it to make the sound even better, which we'll talk about it more in a bit. I guess that's all that there is, but if you want to know more technical specification, just check this out and pause the video. So this is the sound of the Fantech Leviosa inside my office, and as you can hear, there are a lot of background sound being picked up by the microphone itself. And the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to simply put the windscreen in it. So let's check it out. Now this is the sound of the Fantech Leviosa with its windscreen on, and as you can hear, I don't think there is much difference, but yeah, this is the sound of it. 1 2 3 4 sound check, mic test 1 2 3 4. So this is the sound of the Fantech Leviosa plug into my PC with OBS Studio's noise suppression on. Well, actually this is cardioid polar pattern, so right now you can hear me talking on the side, and right now I am in front of the mic, and I am also going to go on this side, and of course now I am back in front. So this is the sound of the Fantech Leviosa plug into my PC with noise suppression on in OBS Studio. Check 1 2 3 4 sound check. Now in conclusion, the overall sound is fine, but a little lacking in bass and picks up a lot of background sound. I mean, during the mic test recording, I placed the microphone where I usually record my voice over and it's still picking up background sound. So I can't use this without the OBS Studio's noise suppression with it. The channel recording is locked in a single channel only. Not important for some, but it is an issue for me. The sound is kinda lacking in punch that I need in a condenser microphone. I'm not sure how to explain that, but I still prefer the overall sound output of the BM800 by itself. Though the good thing about this microphone is it is in a USB connection. You'll never have the static or the buzzing sound that the BM800 produce, and I think that's the only advantage of this Fantech Leviosa against the BM800. Anyway, I'll still recommend this if you don't have any condenser microphone at the moment and you are in a budget. But if you already have the BM800, this is not a good upgrade. However, it will still give you less stress about the buzzing background sound that the BM800 has. If you want to get one of these, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Using those links will help this channel do more contents like this. So that's it guys, this is Mac and I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. If it does, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.